Samantala, dati nang kilalang mahusay mag-Ingles ang mga Pilipino. Pero ngayon, isang US-based technology company ang nagsabing #1 din tayo sa business English.
Ibig sabihin nito, kaya raw natin makipag-Inglisan sa mga business discussion. Saksi si Joseph Morong.
On, Becky Mon. This is your Pinoy boy, Mikey Bustos again, bringing you another
Sa YouTube videos ni Pinoy boy Mikey Bustos, tampok ang nakakatuwang Pinoy English o nakakatuwang pagsasalita ng Ingles ng karamihan sa mga Pinoy.
There are many more examples of Pinoy English. We say things like open and close the light, close, open, close, open. The Philippines is considered the second best English-speaking country in Asia, next to India. And for me,
Well, actually, Mikey, #1 na tayo. Ayon sa kumpanyang Global English Corporation, mga Pilipino ang may pinakamataas na business English proficiency sa 108,000 na pinag-exam nila mula sa 76 na bansa. Ang ibig sabihin daw nito, ayon sa Global English, may kakayanan daw tayo mga Pilipino na makibahagi sa mga business discussion at magampanan ng mga komplikadong trabaho. Ang India na nakadikit natin sa dami ng mga call center at iba pang business process outsourcing services, #7 lamang.
Hi, my name is Abby. I'm a customer service supervisor for 6 years now. How can I help you?
Sa SPI Global, isang call center, hindi mo akalain mga Pinoy ang kausap mo sa telepono.
Hi, my name is Isabel and I'm an advanced technical support representative. I've been in the company for almost 2 years.
Tunog stateside.
We're so familiar with, American culture, how they talk, how they speak. So it's not really that difficult for us to adjust.
At ang pagiging spoken dollar nila, literal na nakakapagpasok ng dolyar sa bansa. Noong 2010, kumita ang mga call center natin ng $5.7 million at nakapagbigay ng trabaho sa hanggang kalahating milyong Pilipino.
The Philippines, again, is a premium destination for voice or call center because we can talk to the world.
At hindi lamang daw tayo sa accent lamang magaling.
And they say the Philippine accent is neutral. Nice to hear, very audible, very understandable. The clients say that we are very good at the accent level, but we have a very high customer service level satisfaction. Meaning, nire-recognize ng kliyente yung kabaitan at yung pasensya at pagiging matyaga ng Filipino.
Kaya, don't worry. English me till I'm out of spot and I need tissue for my nosebleed. Dolyar din katapat nito. Ako si Joseph Morong, ang inyong saksi.